Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Let me start off by saying that I get more compliments on these socks than any other article of clothing that I own. I wanted something to wear with my ballet flats that looked dressy enough that I could wear them to Bible study and date night or work, and they're still going to be comfortable enough for me to wear all day. And these beautiful socks have exceeded my expectations. I wear these probably 6 days a week and up to 8 hours a day, and I'm completely impressed by their durability. They haven't ripped or snagged like pantyhose do. I've washed them and worn them several times, and they still look brand new every time I put them on. I love how I can wear them with a variety of different shoes, and a cute, colorful pattern peeks through in places, and it just looks so cute. Every time I wear them, I get compliments on them, and I just love to brag about how cute and comfortable they are. Who knew that a pair of socks could bring me so much joy? They come in a set of 8, and this company provides many different styles for you to choose from. I chose the flower pattern, but I want to try all the different styles. I love them so much. These socks are exactly what I was looking for, something comfortable that I could wear all day and look cute with my ballet flats, and durable enough to wear them time and time again. And that's why I love them so much. I would recommend them to all of my family and friends.
And that's my point of view.